Howard County is a charter government in the state of Maryland located halfway between Baltimore and Washington, D.C. along the I-95 corridor. It's home to more than 300,000 people with a robust economy centering around government, technology, biomedical projects, and agricultural sectors, just to name a few. The county seat of Howard County is Ellicott City, and the heart of Ellicott City is the historic Old Town Main Street. Originally settled and developed as a mill town in the late 1700s, the Ellicott family took advantage of the confluence of three tributaries that flowed through the town and converged on the Patapsco River as a source of power. As a result, the town has several closely located buildings and sits in a floodplain. Over the years, historic Ellicott City has experienced several devastating fires and floods. The most recent such flood took place on July 30th, 2016. An unprecedented 6 inches of rain fell in the Ellicott City watershed in less than 2 hours. The resulting flash flood forced a 4-foot wall of water down Main Street, sweeping away cars, scouring out buildings, and sadly, resulting in 2 deaths. Howard County's emergency operations plan was immediately mobilized to respond to and begin the recovery from the damage. County Executive Alan Kittleman committed to not only rebuilding the town, but to making it better and more resilient in the process.
Today marks 1 month since a devastating flash flood ripped through Ellicott City. During the past 4 weeks, we've helped 90 businesses and more than 190 residents clean up and set a course for a lasting recovery. We've learned a lot about ourselves since then. We've learned despite getting knocked down, we had the strength to get back up. We are a resilient community, and the past month has proven it. We've made tremendous progress in 1 month. Main Street looks nothing like it did that horrific Saturday night when 6 inches of rain fell in less than 2 hours. We've accomplished much together already, and we are staying focused on the work that remains. I thank all of you for your continued patience and support. Together, as always, we are EC Strong.
As we learn more and know more, our adopted codes and standards become better. The application of science and technology to our codes allows us to build better, stronger, more resilient structures, and to do so more economically than before. The application of modern building codes was an integral part of the rebuilding process from the very start. With government code officials working in partnership with businesses, building owners, and residents, we were able to rebuild our buildings and infrastructure in such a way as to be more resistant to damage during the next fire or flood event. As a result, more than 96% of the damaged businesses have returned after the flood. If you need proof that modern building codes save lives and protect property, you need only to look at the Shoemaker Country building on Main Street, the 3-story building on the left. After being destroyed by a major fire on Veterans Day 1999, it was reconstructed with fire sprinklers and using modern dry floodproofing techniques. As this photo shows, the Shoemaker building suffered very little property damage and no structural damage. The shop to the right, subjected to the same flood forces, was severely damaged and almost washed away. During Building Safety Month, let's recognize and celebrate the application of science and technology that makes our buildings stronger and more resilient. Modern building codes save lives and protect property.